Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how a copper T IUD is inserted. First, your healthcare provider will review your medical history and address any concerns you may have. They will then perform a pelvic exam to accurately measure your uterus and determine its position. To ensure your comfort, pain relief options might be discussed and offered before the procedure begins. Next, the healthcare provider will carefully clean your cervix using an antiseptic solution, which helps prevent any potential infection. A speculum will be gently inserted to hold the vaginal walls open, providing a clear view of the cervix. Then, a special instrument called a uterine sound is used to measure the exact depth of your uterus, ensuring the IUD fits perfectly. Now, the copper T IUD is carefully loaded into a slender insertion tube. This tube is then gently guided through your cervix and into your uterus. Once the IUD reaches the correct position, the arms of the T shape will unfold, securing it within the uterine cavity. This precise placement is crucial for its effectiveness. After the IUD is successfully placed, the insertion tube is carefully withdrawn, leaving the copper T in your uterus. The small strings attached to the IUD are then trimmed to a length of about 2 to 3 centimeters, allowing you to check for them. Your provider will schedule a follow-up visit to confirm the IUD's correct position and address any questions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.